Excuse me, madam, I'm going to sit at your table. Excuse me, madam. I would like to introduce to your table the table of appointment. For the linens, we have tablecloths and table napkin. For the beverage, for the flatwares, we have dinner knife. Dinner knife na siya, oh. Dinner knife, salad knife, soap spoon, dinner fork, salad fork, and dessert spoon. Excuse me, madam, I'm going. Oh no. For the beverage, we have where we have a water glass and with saucer. For the condiments, we have salt and pepper. For the table accessories, we have flour base with flour. Excuse me, madam. Excuse me, madam. I'm going to. Excuse me, madam. Can I put your the table napkin? Excuse me, madam. Can I put the table napkin in your lap? Tapos, excuse me, madam. I'm going to serve your egg